What does the exclamation mark mean when you join a multiplayer game? Let's find out. So select multiplayer, join game, continue. Search for your game, and there's this exclamation mark. What it means is you don't have mods that the organizer of the game has. So you click on details. Now the long way is scrolling through the list of mods that the game organizer has got. I recommend you click on downloadable mods or press your spacebar, press yes, and it will automatically go and get the mods that are missing from the mod hub. As you can see, they're automatically downloading. Now they're going into your My Documents, My Games, FS22, Mods folder. So we'll just wait for those to download. Now what you will need to do is come out of here, so press back. Then quit and close the game entirely. So this allows the game to pick up the mods that are now in the mods folder. So start your game again. Come into multiplayer, join the game. Search for the game, and now there's no exclamation mark and you can start. This game has a password. Now if you experience an issue here when it gets to 99% and the game doesn't load, please follow my other YouTube video on what happens in a multiplayer game when you get to 99% and the game gets stuck. As you can see, we're able to start the game and join the farm. Okay, enjoy your game and thank you for watching.